So today I'm going to quickly show you how to pay your Discover It card properly. So we're here on our dashboard with our Discover on our desktop. And what we're going to want to do is look on our left-hand side right over here. You're going to see where it shows up that we have our opportunity to make a payment. Now while we're clicking through this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as this is a nice and quick tutorial for us. So here on this page, there's a couple different options. So I want to show you the right way to pay if you are looking at all of these different choices. So the first one right over here, you can see it says current balance. Then there's also the statement balance, a minimum, and then other. Now, if you're somebody who is wanting to avoid any interest on your card, we're going to want to go ahead and choose the statement balance. So that way we can go ahead and make sure we have no interest being charged for us. And you can see our due date that we have to make sure we have that paid off by before having that interest accrue. So for us, we're going to go ahead and choose statement balance. Now, if you have any cashback bonus, you can go ahead and hit yes and select to be able to use this right over here on this transaction. So this is actually going to lower the amount that is going to be pulled from our actual bank account. So you can see right over here, it's only going to pull $211.17 out of the $217.03 that we owe. So down over here, you're going to see our payment date. So if you tap over here, you're going to see all the dates available, and you can even see the due date that's going to be on the calendar. You can choose to do it later down the road, or you could do it the day of actually going through this process. Now for payment source, you can go ahead and tap over here and it'll show you all the different options for banks that you have. If you don't see the one that you want to use, you can of course go ahead and update your bank account. So we're going to choose the option that works best for us. We're going to click on continue. And now on this page here, it is going to verify our payment. So nothing has officially gone through yet. So we just want to verify that everything is looking correct. We are only going to have, again, that $211 being pulled out because $586 from the cashback bonus is going to be going towards this total. If everything looks good here, we're going to go ahead and click on confirm. And on this page right over here, you can see it says confirm. So everything is ready to go and that account will be paid properly for us and our statement balance will be fully covered to avoid any interest. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing with your finances. So go ahead and check out our video right over here on screen.